Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Welcome and let's talk about salvia plants. If you're looking to add a touch of color and fragrance to your garden, salvia might just be the perfect choice. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to grow and care for salvia plants, ensuring they thrive and reward you with their stunning blooms. Salvia, also known as sage, is a genus of plants within the mint family. It encompasses a diverse group of over 900 species, including annuals, perennials, and shrubs. Salvia plants are native to various regions around the world, including North and South America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Many people love these plants for their attractive foliage, colorful flowers, and aromatic properties. The flowers are typically arranged in inflorescences, such as spikes, racemes, or panicles. The flower colors include shades of blue, purple, pink, red, white, and yellow. Their nectar-rich flowers attract pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, which aid in the pollination of other plant species. Salvia is widely used as a culinary herb and for medicinal applications. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine and is believed to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Sage tea made from its leaves is used for various purposes, including sore throat relief, digestion aid, and memory enhancement. Here are some details of how to grow and care for salvia plants. Number 1. Choosing the right variety. Salvia plants come in various forms, including annuals, perennials, and shrubs. Select a variety that suits your climate and gardening preferences. Number 2. Location and soil requirements. Most salvias thrive in full sun, so choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. More importantly, they prefer well-draining soil with a pH ranging from slightly acidic to neutral. If your soil is heavier clay, consider improving drainage by adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. Number 3. Planting time. The ideal time to plant salvias varies depending on the species and your climate. In general, it's best to plant them in spring after the last frost has passed. If you're growing salvias from seeds, start them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Number 4. Planting process. Dig a hole in the prepared soil that is slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring that the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil and gently firm it around the base of the plant. Water thoroughly after planting. Number 5. Watering. Salvias have moderate water requirements. Water newly planted salvias regularly to establish their root system. Once established, they are fairly drought tolerant and can survive with minimal watering. However, regular watering during dry periods promotes healthier growth and more abundant blooms. Number 6. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to help conserve soil moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Avoid piling mulch directly against the stem to prevent rotting. Number 7. Fertilization. Salvias generally do not require heavy feeding. However, you can apply a balanced slow-release fertilizer or compost in spring to provide essential nutrients. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper dosage. Avoid excessive nitrogen fertilizers, as they can promote leafy growth at the expense of flowers. Number 8. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain the shape, vigor, and flowering capacity of salvias. Prune back the plants in early spring before new growth begins, removing any dead or damaged branches. For certain species, you can also prune spent flowers to encourage new blooms. Number 9. Disease and pest control. Salvias are relatively resistant to pests and diseases. However, they can occasionally be affected by aphids, mealybugs, or fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Monitor your plants regularly and take action at the first signs of infestation or disease. Use organic insecticides or fungicides if necessary. Number 10. Overwintering. Some salvias are frost tender and require protection in colder regions. If you are living in colder climates, It is usually advisable to grow them in pots and containers so that they easily movable during frosts. However, if you choose to grow them on the garden ground, before the first frost, cut back the plants to a few inches above the ground. Apply a layer of mulch around the base to insulate the roots. In areas with extremely cold winters, it may be necessary to dig up and store salvias indoors until spring. Well, here is how to use salvia in a front yard of your home. When incorporating salvia into a front yard, consider its height, growth habit, and color to complement the overall landscape design. Plant taller varieties towards the back to create a visual backdrop, while shorter or spreading varieties can be used as border plants or ground covers. Mix different salvia species or cultivars with other flowering plants to create a harmonious and diverse display. Ensure adequate spacing between plants to allow them to grow and flourish. Regularly deadhead spent flowers to promote continuous blooming and maintain a neat appearance. We have come to the end of our video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future gardening tips and tricks. Good luck in your gardening journey.